Yeah, yeah. Watch them now, watch them now. Some smile bright in the daylight, but hide dark plans in the midnight. Lord, open we eyes. Babylon wears a Sunday smile, shaking poor hands for a little while. Promises sweet like sugar cane, but the hungry children still feel pain. Them stand in church with a polished shoe, but won't give the poor what rightly due. Them quote the word with a golden ring, but forget the widow and the suffering. But God no sleep, God no blind. He sees the wicked heart and mind. What man cover under robe and tie, the Most I see from the sky. Don't bow down to painted gold. Truth is stronger than stories sold. God sees every hidden file. Babylon wears a Sunday smile. Don't bow down to silver tongue. Justice song must still be sung behind the praise and holy style. Babylon wears a Sunday smile. Them build big house on stolen land, then put small coin in the poor man hand. Them say be patient, your time will come, while them feast on bread and leave with crumb. Them sign new paper, them shake new hand, still no clean water in the village land. The youth them search for a honest way, but Babylon tax every hope away. Isaiah cry from the ancient page, loose every chain, break every cage. Religion without mercy is a sounding bell, a pretty road leading down to hell. Don't bow down to painted gold. Truth is stronger than stories sold. God sees every hidden file. Babylon wears a Sunday smile. Don't bow down to silver tongue. Justice song must still be sung behind the praise and holy style. Babylon wears a Sunday smile. False prophet come with a velvet voice, tell the weak man he has no choice. Say give me a seed and your blessing soon, then ride away under a silver moon. But Jesus walked with the poor and lame, never used the Father's name for fame. He broke the bread, he washed the feet, turned holy love into daily need. Oh Lord, clean the temple again, drive out greed from the hearts of men. Turn the tables of wicked trade, let righteousness never be afraid. We no fight with gun or blade, we fight with truth that cannot fade. Prayer in we mouth, fire in we soul. God alone must take control. Babylon smile, but the root is rotten. Poor man cry, but he is not forgotten. Babylon preach, but the fruit is thin. Clean outside, but dark within. No more lies in holy clothes, no more thorns dressed up like rose. The Lord will judge with perfect style. Babylon wears a Sunday smile. Don't bow down to painted gold. Truth is stronger than stories sold. God sees every hidden file. Babylon wears a Sunday smile. Don't bow down to silver tongue. Justice song must still be sung behind the praise and holy style. Babylon wears a Sunday smile. One day the poor will lift their head, no more fear for daily bread. The crooked scale will fall apart, and God will weigh the human heart. So keep your faith, don't sell your name, don't trade your soul for Babylon fame. Stand like Daniel, brave and mild, even when Babylon wears a Sunday smile. Our sermon high, beyond poor man reach. Love must walk more than one church high. Babylon, where's a Sunday smile? Babylon, where's a Sunday smile? Babylon, oh, Babylon, where's a Sunday smile? But truth will stand after a while. The Most High sees every hidden file. Babylon, where's a Sunday smile?